You studied some of the different ways to use the present perfect simple and the past simple in this unit. Let's have another look. A university has accepted Amal as a student. She tells her friend Donnie the good news. Listen to their conversation.
Donnie, guess what? I've just heard from the university. The letter came this morning. They've accepted me.
That's great news. What did your parents say?
Oh, I haven't told them yet.
Amal uses two tenses to talk about events in the past, the present perfect simple and the past simple. She talks about something that happened recently. I've just heard from the university. She adds when it happened. The letter came this morning. She also says she hasn't told her parents yet. This is something that has not happened before that point in time. When do we use the present perfect simple and the past simple? Let's look at a table. We can use the present perfect simple to talk about experiences, often with ever and never. We can also use this tense to talk about things that have happened recently, often with just. The present perfect simple can also be used to talk about things that have happened and things that haven't happened before now, using already and yet. We can also say how long something has lasted, with since and for. We normally use the past simple tense when we want to give specific details about something that happened in the past or say when it happened. When you are ready, go to the activity. Is the grammar correct? Choose yes or no. That's correct. We say, I met him yesterday, and she hasn't received your email yet. That's it. You've reached the end of the language check. You can use it again whenever you want to revise the uses of the present perfect simple and the past simple.